Welcome to Little Koala Club. Let's start with our 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can close your eyes if you wish. Big deep breath in through your nose and out your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Let all that air out. One more, in through your nose and out your mouth. Let's begin with our story. It's called Sunshine. Close your eyes if you wish and be very still and imagine you are lying down outside in the sunshine. Your body feels totally relaxed as you lie comfortably in the soft grass. The rays of the sun are soaking into your muscles, warming and relaxing your whole body. Feel the warmth of the sun on your legs and let them relax completely. Let all the muscles around your tummy relax as you sink slowly into the soft grass. Feel the sun's rays on your shoulders and arms as they sink deeply into the spongy grass. Now feel the warm sun on your face. As the sun touches it, your whole face relaxes. Your forehead relaxes, your cheeks relax, your eyes relax, and your mouth relaxes. As you breathe in and out gently, feel your chest relaxing. Let the muscles in your lungs and heart relax. As you lie there, take in a deep breath. Fill your lungs with the wonderful, fresh smell of the earth and the grass. Stay very still and discover what sound can you hear. Can you hear bees buzzing near flowers? Can you hear the soft wings of the butterflies flapping? Can you hear the wind moving through the trees? You feel so peaceful as you lie here enjoying the sunshine and listening to all the outdoor sounds. Okay, when you're ready, open your eyes, give your fingers a little bit of a wriggle and be ready to draw yourself in the sunshine. Let's get started with our drawing. We're going to do some dogs today. What I've got is some different coloured brown pencils. They're all a slightly different colour. So whatever brown pencils you've got will be fine, and a lead pencil. Okay, just move your coloured pencils to one side. Let's start by drawing a simple dog shape. So we'll start with just doing curve for the top of its head, and then a U shape for its face. The next thing we're going to do is the ears. Nice big floppy ears. Then let's come down with the leg down here. So coming from part near the ear down. And over this side, we're actually doing the back of the dog. So it's not going to go as far. Let's complete this leg and it will make a bit more sense. And we can draw our other leg in and just complete the body of the dog going around and our tail. Now on this dog, we're just going to colour, I'm just using a light colour, just to colour the face area of the nose. And then you might use some darker colours or a black. We find my black. Draw a nose in. Give me a little triangle shape if you want. Draw some eyes. Just some simple circle eyes, that's fine. And a mouth. And then you have your first dog. You can colour that dog in later with whatever colour you want. Let's try our second dog. Okay, this one's a little bit fluffier. So, head slightly on the side for this one. Curve line for an ear this way, and a curve line that way for an ear. Then we're going to draw the rest of the face before we finish the ears. So let's draw a little bit of a chin fuzzy chin happening down here. And we're pretending, if you want, you can draw a really light circle. Don't draw it too dark. A really light circle for the face of the dog. So, and then you can go around and make it fluffy or a bit raggy along that circle. Using circles can help us get the right shapes. Using shapes helps us. Okay, finish off the ears. And we're going to give this dog a white patch on its face. So this time I'm going to colour it in this browny sort of colour. So I'm going to just quickly colour in. We're just going to do the face of this dog. And starting with that basic circle helped us get. Now you don't want to shade too dark because we need to draw eyes and things on. Just a light shade. Okay, with my black pencil, we're going to do a circle nose and 2 circle eyes close together down here. And we don't see its mouth because it's a very fluffy dog. Okay, let's try another dog shape. This time let's draw our circle first. It's going to help us. So just a really light circle. And then we're going to draw a body shape. It's kind of like a rounded rectangle. Rectangle with rounded sides. Doesn't have to be too particular. We're only sketching and we're only learning. Okay, my body's probably a little bit long, so I'm actually going to rub mine out and make it like that. So we've got our 2 basic shapes to start with for our dog. Okay, let's start with the body. So we're going to have the chest of the dog and we're going to do some feet. So straight down for the paw. Oops, that's all right. Need to make that a bit bigger. And if you want to make your dog look like a puppy, give it slightly bigger feet because puppies always have big feet to start with, and then they grow taller. Okay, so there's our first 2 legs. The other leg is going to be sitting behind, and this other leg is going to be sitting behind this one. So we've got our 4 legs. Let's draw in our little stumpy tail. And we're going to fix up the back of our dog so it's not quite so flat. Okay, so you can see that our dog shape and a rounded belly, getting quite a nice dog shape happening. Okay, let's do the face of our dog. So we're going to have our chin is about here. I'm just doing 3 little curved lines. And then we're going to do a rounded line. Sorry, well, let's make this curved line a little bit bigger. Rounded line here and here. And then the top of the head is there. Now all we need to do is fill in the ears. So 2 straight lines out, 2 straight lines down, another diagonal line, and then we're going to meet that in the head up there. Okay. I'm going to use a different coloured pencil this time to draw in my face. It's like a little bulldog, I think, this one. So I need to come down from here. And it's going to have a white tummy. So I'll shade my bulldog in. Don't forget to turn your page if you need to. I find it easier. Do some rough shading. I might colour the ears in as well. And tail. Worry too much about your pencil line still showing through because we're just practicing our shapes. But you can see how by drawing those two shapes, it's made our dog look a lot more realistic, but it's also been easier to draw. And I might make it a little bit darker over this side near his neck, just to give it a little bit of a shadowy sort of effect. Same on the ears, a little bit darker there, a little bit darker around the face. Okay, with my black pencil, let's do our nose. Right here, I'm just going to do a circle nose. And our two little eyes, and there's our little bulldog. Okay, let's try one more cute dog. Let's try a little dachshund. So let's put our little dachshund up here. Actually, no, we'll put him down here. I've got some more room. So find yourself some room on your page. Now, a sausage dog or a dachshund has a long, thin body. So we're going to draw a long sausage shape with a tail at the end. Draw some feet. Some simple designed feet. And now we do need to do the head. Now for the head, we're going to do an oval shape like that. So draw your oval shape. We need the top of our shape there. And we're going to draw our big ear here. And this ear is hiding behind the face. Then we're going to have the face is actually going to come down, but it's going to come out a little bit. So we've got the snout of our dog. Okay. We can draw in some patches. Maybe it's got little white feet. And let me try a different colour to colour in with. Which one have I used? Let's try the darker colour. It's more like a grey. We really need like a red for a dachshund. So let's swap to a reddish sort of colour. You can colour your dog however you wish. I'm going to do some feet, tops of the feet. I'm only colouring in really roughly. I'm sure you'll take a lot more care with yours. I've got nice soft pencils so they colour in reasonably quickly. Okay, for a bit of interest, I'm making this dog a little bit different. They don't have to be realistic. And I'm going to use my pale colour on these bits. Okay, last thing we need is our face. So our nose and our two little eyes close together. And there we have our dachshund. Okay, thanks for joining me. I will see you next time. Keep practicing.